the purpose of my program is to list off all the countries that start with a particular letter in the input. So if we run it like this, it says I will show you the countries with all the letters start with a certain letter. We enter a letter. I enter an F. Searches. Then it's saying, giving you all the countries. Start with F, like that. So basically, my code works by using a list I created in this part, basically, that will first go through the entire database and it will select out all the items that have the same first letter and it will add it to the list. And then it'll check if the size of the list is 0. It'll say that there's no more countries. It'll pop it out. Or if it's not 0, then it'll list out all the items within that list, so all the countries of the specified first letter. And then here it'll just say, sorry, invalid input if you do not enter in an answer that is a text, or the length of the answer is not equal to 1. If I didn't use a list, I would have to change my program basically to print or to say every time it does find a letter within the entire database, but it doesn't create a list. So then we cannot later reuse the list. Basically, it'll just say as it finds it within the database.